Well, hey guys, I'm going to show you another tool that I use. Now, this is my personal blog site, and I'm going to add a post in this blog site. Okay, so the first thing I would do is I will go into the admin section of my personal blog. This is the admin section, and so I will click on post, and I want to add a new post. Okay. So it's going to come up with my new post. All right. So what I'm going to do is I've already did I have a notepad here, so I'm going to copy and paste all of this information. Okay, this right here, this is the title. So I'm going to copy and paste my title. Okay, that's my title. And then I'm going to do my blog. Okay, this is my blog, multiple streams of income. Okay, and so these are some titles. Actually, let me change the title here. I'm going to change the title. Here are some title suggestions that I have. Okay, 10 ways to build the ultimate guide. Want more money every month, try these 10 income streams. Okay, let's go with this one. So I have a list of titles, so I'm going to go with this one here. So I'm going to do copy. Okay, I'm going to change my title. Okay, I've changed my title. Now I want to actually get the blog. Okay. Okay, for clicks into, okay, this is the blog right here. Let me make a note of it. Blog, P-O-S-T. So I know. Okay, so I'm going to do a copy and paste. A copy and paste. Okay. So I'm going to, okay, I'm going to copy this. Control C, copy. Do a paste, put that right there. Okay, now, so let's look at it here. Okay. Okay, so we're doing a proofread. Okay, we don't want that. Okay. Okay, we're going to okay, we're going to delete that. Okay, so here are my 10 sources of income. Let's make that bold. And then I want to make this bold. Okay. And then I want to come and move that over. Let's see, how do I do that? Do a tab. Okay, I went and made the corrections with the blog post. Okay, so let's continue. So here, this is the blog post that I've created. I made the corrections to it, all right? So now I want to add an image. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to tell it to add an image. Okay, so here I am. I've added the image. Okay, this is the image I would like to add here. Here's the image. And so it appears as if I am ready to publish. Now, this article is a bit lengthy, but I'm going to go ahead and publish it the way it is. And then I'm going to come back and shorten. I want to show you how I shorten this blog post. But for now, I want to go ahead and publish. So I published it, and then it says, okay, I'm going to copy the post address. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to put it with the, okay, I've already created some emails. So I'm going to put it in here with my emails, okay, so that I'll know what that blog address is. Then I'm going to put that there. Then I'm going to tell it to save, okay. This way I don't have to go looking for the URL again. So it's asking me if I would like to view the post. It is published. And so I'm going to say yes. So yes, I would like to view the post. Okay. And so here's the post. All right. It's been added. Now I may need to increase this size of this image here. That's very easy to do. Or I may just leave it that way. Okay. But this is what it looks like once it is posted. As you can see, it's not that lengthy, but it is a little lengthy. Again, I would just like to say, remember, success leaves clues. No 0 days. Have a PMA, positive mental attitude. I'm also believing for 120 years of age. I want to live to see the next 3 or 4 generations. I just would like to see that. I think it would be a great blessing for those that I love and my family and my friends and also my team. Have a great day, and we'll talk later.